Hello and welcome to the Thermodynamics lecture for the Academia Hargeisa Universalis Versalis School of Physics. This is Mustafa Aw-Abdi. I'm the Chancellor of the University based in Hargeisa, outskirts of Universalis, the second entry for the school. As we all know, that the subject summarizes the science of heat, energy and work, studying how thermal energy converts to other forms. Governed by four fundamental law. The zero law defines equilibrium. The first law, energy contains states. Energy can't be created or destroyed or only transformed. The second law, entropy, direction of spontaneous processes towards disorder, energy quality decrease. And the third law defines the behavior of systems as temperature approaches absolute zero. It uses microscopic teas, temperature, pressure to describe systems applicable across physics, chemistry, and engineering. But before then, follow me to my YouTube channel, subscribe, write down the comments, click the like button, and ring so you never miss a single beat or lecture. And enjoy your thermodynamics lecture. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with heat, work, and temperature, and their relation to energy, entropy, and the physical properties of matter and radiation. The behavior of these quantities is governed by the four laws of thermodynamics, which contain a quantitative description using measurable microscopic physical quantities, but may be explained in terms of microscopic conditions by statistical mechanics. Thermodynamics applied to various topics in science and engineering, especially physical chemistry, biochemistry, chemical engineering, and mechanical engineering, as well as other technology. Historically, thermodynamics developed out of the desire to increase the efficiency of the early steam engines, particularly through the work of French physicist Sadi Carnot, who believed that energy efficiency was the key that could help France win the wars. Scots-Irish physicist Lord Kelvin was the first to formulate a concise definition of thermodynamics in 1854, which stated, "Thermodynamics is the subject of relation of heat to forces acting between constituent parts of bodies in relation to heat to electrical agency." German physicist and mathematician Rudolf Clausius restated Carnot's principle known as the Carnot cycle and gave the theory of heat a true and sound basis. His most important paper on the laws of heat, published in 1850, first stated the second law of thermodynamics. In 1865, he introduced the concept of entropy. In 1870, he introduced the theorem which applies heat. The initial application of thermodynamics to mechanical heat engines was quickly extended to the study of chemical compounds and chemical reactions. Chemical thermodynamics studies the nature of role and entropy in the process of chemical reactions, and has provided the bulk of the expanding knowledge in the field. Other foundations of thermodynamics, statistical thermodynamics or statistical mechanics, concerns itself with statistical predictions of the convergence of particles from the behavior. In 1909, Constantine Calafiori presented a pure mathematical approach in axiomatic formulation, a description often referred to as geometrical thermodynamics.